come around to say hello. One-on-one, I'm so fly. You took a nosedive. Careful when you play on my level. For you, it's so. Hey, hello.
Motorola Razr 50 Ultra. Flip the script.
Hello, Moto.
अरविंद केजरीवाल बिटवीन अ रॉक एंड अ हार्ड प्लेस. अगर भगवंत मान को हटाते हैं दलित को लाने के लिए तो लोग कहेंगे कि भाई अब तक याद नहीं आई पंजाब की, अब सडनली याद आ गई. दिस इज बिकॉज ही वांट्स अ वीकर चीफ मिनिस्टर. भगवंत मान माइट इवन ब्रेक द पार्टी. व्हाट डू यू थिंक इज हैपनिंग इन पंजाब?
Well, what is happening in Punjab, Navika ji, is when every Aam Aadmi Party MLA is going on the ground and speaking to the people, the feedback that they are getting is that if they continue with the Aam Aadmi Party in Punjab, they will lose the election. So there is a massive undercurrent against the Aam Aadmi Party government in Punjab, like you saw in Delhi. And every MLA of Aam Aadmi Party know that if they have to save their political future, they cannot be with Aam Aadmi Party because there is massive anti-incumbency against Mr. Arvind Kejriwal. Why do I say Mr. Arvind Kejriwal in Punjab? Because it is Mr. Kejriwal who's running the government of Punjab. Remember in 2022, Mr. Kejriwal had called the meeting of the bureaucrats at his residence and his Sheesh Mahal in Delhi. So what I suspect and what I think,
but he is a party convener. So he is a party convener, so he could call people to his house. But the question, Ravi Srivastava, many would ask is, so far Bhagwant Mann ji's main job has been providing an aircraft to ferry Mr. Arvind Kejriwal to whichever state he wanted to go. Now, if Mr. Kejriwal wants the axe to fall on Bhagwant Mann, will he take it lying down? Do you think problems increasing for the Aam Aadmi Party and Arvind Kejriwal? Do you think it's on the brink of a collapse?
Good evening, Navika. I think the knives were out for Arvind Kejriwal right from the day when results were declared. And I think the first person whom he met when he was when losing that election was Bhagwant Mann in Delhi also. So Bhagwant Mann has been with him. You said about the aircrafts for going to other states and all. I think everywhere Bhagwant Mann has accompanied him, whichever state he has gone. So
उनके बिना तो प्लेन मिलेगा नहीं ना भाई, मजबूरी है सर.
And another thing is that that BJP making all kind of claims that this has happened.
उसके बगैर सिक्योरिटी नहीं मिलेगी रवि जी.
अरे 43.5% वोट है दिल्ली के अंदर.
वो कहानी खत्म हो गई. वोट हैं, रखिए. पंजाब में क्या होगा वो बताइए.
They still have the popular vote with them, and Punjab is not going to go anywhere. You keep on.
All right, Tehseen Poonawala. Normally, after a defeat of this kind, one would expect Arvind Kejriwal would be looking at the reasons of the defeat in Delhi. But what he's done is called the MLAs of Punjab. Yeah. Does that give the story away?
I told you on the day that you guys released the survey correctly, the next government to fall is Punjab. Believe you me, it's going to happen. And the reason is that Arvind Kejriwal ji has not had an ideology. His ideology has been very flexible. He could try and be more Hindutva than the BJP. He could try and be more liberal than the Congress. He could try to fit in.
His ideology with people has also been
flexible. Very flexible.
Yogendra Yadav, Prashant Bhushan, Swati Maliwal, all of them.
True.
It's been flexible.
True. And if he's going to try, and I think that there is going to be the BJP and the Congress are going to smell.
Oh, so you're both standing with a fishing net. The BJP and the Congress standing with a fishing net.
And if the Congress lets him go now,
झोली में कौन गिरने वाला है?
Can I just say something? Can I say something? He's destroyed the Congress. If now the Congress lets him go, I will personally be disappointed with the Congress, and your show I will tell them.
Okay.
They have to.
You've been disappointed on many scores in the
past. On elections, but
the hat-trick of zeros twice over in Delhi.